where we analyze, experiment, and build simple, exciting, relatable apps, considering all the basics and also the best practices to start development. And these are my favorite ingredient that I don't want to do food to me, called cousins or whatever. This is just food, right? So this is just food, and this food will be available to we. Like, we have plenty data set of food and cuisines that have this ingredient in it. So it's going to generate subsequent, like, plenty of them, and whatever we want, we are going to store them into our database, right? So we store the cuisines into the database for what references, for retrieval sake. So let's say in the Express middleware, we'll be using React because we're creating a front end to feel the vibe, and also we use the Node.js that also contains whatever is there, the Express, the Node.js, the whatever, and Tender Client, Postman, and FLASK. These are what is going to be. So specifically, let me go through another process again. So the first most is that the Express stage 1 listing or send HTTP post request towards a Tender Client. So our HTTP post request is going to be in the form of Axios. Axios is a framework, or whatever you can call it. It's a library that is designed, or that is created for us to create HTTP requests, and also listen to some HTTP requests as well. We can create some socket IOs with Axios. It's possible, but our main focus will be on just Axios at a basic level, listen to HTTP posts, and also get into posts. So we send a post to Tender Client. Tender Client listen to it, send back to FLASK. FLASK listen to it, send it back to the machine learning algorithm. That's the model. The model train or process our data. That the body, it processes this body. So the transferred body is processed using machine learning. Then send it back to the FLASK. Now FLASK listens to it, say, okay, I've listened, I've gotten a response. So this response is send response data towards the FLASK. Now the FLASK listens to it and send it back to Tender Client, or in this case called Axios. Will be a list of ingredients and their respective cuisines. I'll be putting a link in the description below, and also make it available on my GitHub. So let's begin. So we begin by going through the data set, how the data set works like, so I get a general understanding before going through the codes. So here we can see that we have the data set here. We have data sets, you have the text, and also you have the train data set here. These data sets was downloaded from Kaggle. So it's one of the popular repositories for data sets, where you can get data set already trained and tested and start working on them, write a machine learning algorithm on them. So let me open the train. We'll be purposely using the train because we're going to train our own data set to generate a test for you. We can leverage on the test here, but I think it will be good if we start from the beginning by training the data set ourselves, and also generating the test or the respective cuisines. So when you click on these data sets, this is how it works. So with this data set, you can see we have a full JSON format of about 3,700 and something data sets of cuisines. So you can see we have this cuisine here called Greek. We have the respective ingredients. We can see from here we have Southern underscore X, which I think probably is from the southern side. We have a lot of Filipino food with their respective ingredients. We have Indian ingredients. A lot of these data, you can scroll through. The data set is so much, so many. We cannot go through all these data set, but I want you guys to understand something here. So the main purpose of having this data set is that whenever we enter ingredients, our system is going to correlate these ingredients using the best probability test. Like, let's say we enter garlic, pepper, pineapple, pepper, onion. So our system is going to see that, okay, this is the ingredient given. So our system is going to go through all the data sets and find the best probability, the one that matches the ingredients being stated. So without further much ado, let's begin. Okay, to the first time developers in machine learning, I think I'll take you through how we set up the data, we set up the interface before working machine learning. So first off, we have to get a pip install repeater. We have to get a pip install Jupyter. Jupyter JPyter. After installing this on your system, you're going to get this Jupyter notebook available so I can use it. Jupyter notebook makes it very easy for us to run machine learning algorithm line by line without running the full terminal. That's why it's so popular. And also we need some libraries, frameworks to work with. First, we need the FLASK course. We need FLASK course, underscore course. We need pandas. We need NumPy. We need scikit-learn, but if you have watched my previous video, which will be available here, if you have watched that video, I taught how we can install these packages once so that we'll not be installing it anytime you need to start up a project. So if you have this available, you can start a project. So now after getting all this package installed on your system, what you do is on VS Code, you just navigate in view, which can be found in view, and go to your command platelet, and you can, if Jupyter notebook is not already prompted, because I've recently used it, that's why it's been prompted, but you can type Jupyter and the respective results will be shown here. So you click on the first one, that is open new Jupyter notebook, and okay, once you run there, you enter the first one. This interface will be showing to you with untitled -1.py, just as a file name give it to it. So you can change the file name anytime by saving, Control X and save it. But let's start. So this is our file name. I want to keep it this way. So first off, before we start any machine learning, we need to test Python if Python is working very well. Because right now I'm running on the console from PowerShell, and I'm running also on the Python 3.124. So I have to make sure that my Anaconda is working for this interface, and also my console PowerShell is also having a Python 2 running for the terminal, and also Anaconda having Python 2 for the in this interface. So we test by doing the popular one, print hello world. Then we run it from this side, or you can do shift enter. Once Python is working correctly, this is the result that will be shown. So you can see that hello world is running, and it means Python is running good. So we can start the project.